Hello everyone and welcome back to Fire Alarms UK. It is I, Chester Coward here. Today we're going to be doing touring the fire alarm collection as of August 2026. We've also got the stuff from the bedroom system. Before we go ahead, if you could please comment, like and subscribe, that would be really appreciated. But without further ado, let's get into the collection tour. Okay, so these are the cool points I've currently got in my collection. So this is the yellow KAC cool point. It's not your regular fire alarm cool point, but I have put a fully push element in it. Also got two little connector blocks there as well. And I've got the spare red back box to put on. Next, we've got this fully on cool point, which I've had for about a year now. I'm not going to push it because it's got glass in that I want to break when we hit 150 subscribers. And there's the back. I did remove the little metal bit in there because I feel like it makes the cool point mechanism look nice. But certainly try and stick a test key in there. There it is. Back. And here we have an ESP Magfire cool point. There's the back of it. This one's probably the most painful one to use because it's really hard to get the front off these cool points because these three prongs that are quite stiff. And I have cut my hand on that before whilst working on the old board system. And here is a piece of relay glass. Nissan Protocol. And then these are my keys. Got a KAC key, got an ESP key, and got a fully on key. Okay, now moving on to the sounders. So here I've got two Cranford sounders. This one got banned by a resistor. So that one doesn't have the best condition. It does still work. Also got one with a white flashing beacon on it. This is a squashed sander base, so you can put like a detector on it. Annoying thing is you can't really change the tone on these. Like it's only got two tones, like standard sweep tone, and then there's a continuous version. Then here we've got the Menvier bell. Might use this on the bedroom system. It's a lot more pleasant than the actual sounders. Yeah. Probably my favourite device in the collection. Then here we've got a Fillion CS200 sounder. So it's a bit like a Roshni. I'm not going to take it off the back base or the back plate because you have to put a screwdriver in there. And this is a KAC sounder. This one also requires a screwdriver to take off the back box. Yeah, it's the first sounder I ever got. school. Also brings back memories of my old secondary school as well. This is a klaxon sonar sounder. Take it off. It's got volume control and 32 tones, and that's where all the wiring goes. Just click it back on. Put it on there. Next, we're going to take a look at the smoke detectors. So, this is a Zyton optical smoke detector. Base. And there's the base. It's quite fit, actually. This used to be polar white, but it now has been very yellowed. That works. I've got 2 of them. Next, I've got a Chubb Series 65 optical smoke detector. So you can check the base. Turn it back on. There we go. And then we've got Series 65 heat sensor. Got 2 of those. Then I've got another optical Series 65. And here I've got 2 Series 60 ionization smoke detectors. These are quite old. They're a bit yellowed as well. And here we've got some detectors. We've got 2 JSB heat detectors. This one as well. And then 2 optical smoke detectors. One of them's on a Mendia base, and it's very hard. I'll try and see which one it is. Yeah. Stuck on its base. Oh, there we go, I've got it off. There's the Mendia base. Back on there. There we have the detectors. We're going to look at what's on the bedroom system. So here is the Chubb Roshni sounder. It has been shown on this YouTube channel before on a number of occasions. And then if we go up, we have a KAC cool point with an EMS push element on and a cover. And then up there, we've got a ESP magnifier optical smoke detector. Next to it, a Solux beacon. I also should have in my drawer, maybe not in there. Oh yeah, it's over here. Got to put it all the rest, but this is an STI cool point cover. needs new batteries. It does have an alarm in it, but the 9-volt battery in there is dead, so yeah, it needs a new one. Not too bothered about the alarm. You need some sort of Allen key in there though to take off the little plate in there. That's it for the fire alarm collection tour. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye everyone.